Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. Today we are going to see a very easy way to make delicious chicken biryani. So let's have a look at the recipe. Here I have taken 900 grams of chicken. To this add 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of shahi biryani masala. For this recipe, make use of good quality biryani masala. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil, some fried onions and some freshly chopped coriander. Now mix everything well so that all the chicken pieces are nicely coated with the marinade. Let this rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. To prepare rice for the biryani, heat 1 teaspoon ghee. To this add 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick and 3 to 4 black peppercorns. Stir fry these spices and add around 5 cups of water to it. Once the water starts to boil, add around half a kg of rice to it. Here I have soaked this rice for about 40 to 45 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt. Here we are using more salt as we are going to drain the water once the rice is cooked. The rice is nicely cooked. You can see the rice is about 90% cooked. Drain all the water from the rice and keep it aside. Now in a heavy bottom vessel, add the marinated chicken. Spread the chicken pieces evenly on the surface, cover it with a lid and let this cook. Keep stirring in between so that the chicken pieces will not stick to the bottom. Let the chicken cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. The chicken is almost cooked now. Turn off the heat and keep it aside. Now we will start with the layering of the biryani. Spread the first layer of rice on the chicken. Once the rice is evenly spread, add some fried onions, 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter and some freshly chopped coriander. Now spread the second layer of rice. To the second layer, again add some fried onions, some freshly chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon ghee, sprinkle some shahi biryani masala and some saffron milk. Now the third and the final layer of rice. If you are making this chicken biryani on a large scale, then you can keep alternate layer of rice and chicken. Now to the final layer of rice, add some fried onions, some freshly chopped coriander, sprinkle some shahi biryani masala, 2 teaspoons of ghee and some saffron milk. Saffron milk will give nice color to the rice grains. Once we are done with the layering of the biryani, cover it with a lid and keep this on high flame for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, the biryani is cooking on high flame. Now lower the flame and let the biryani cook for another 10 minutes on low flame. The chicken biryani is ready now. Take out the lid. The aroma of the chicken biryani is just amazing. You can see the rice grains are nicely cooked and well separated. See, the chicken is also soft and tender. Enjoy this easy and delicious chicken biryani. Do try this easy chicken biryani recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.